Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Klaviyo email flows for abandoned cart recovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Klaviyo email flows for abandoned cart recovery, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once logged in, navigate to the Flows section on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Create Flow button to start a new flow. Select Create from Scratch to build your flow from the ground up. Name your flow something like Abandoned Cart Recovery. Click on Create Flow to proceed. You'll now be in the flow editor. Begin by adding a trigger to your flow. Click on the plus sign to add a new trigger. Choose metric from the options provided. Search for and select Started Checkout as your trigger. Next, click on the Trigger Setup to configure the trigger. You can set a time delay if needed, such as 1 hour, before the email is sent. Now, click on the plus sign again to select Email from the available actions. Choose the email option and drag it into the workflow. Click on the email component to edit its content. You will be directed to the email editor. Craft a compelling subject line that encourages customers to return. Write a personalized message that reminds them of their abandoned items. Ensure to include dynamic blocks that pull in the customer's name and product details. Next, customize the design of the email to reflect your brand. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize your email design. Return to your flow by clicking the back arrow. You may also want to add another email reminder in your flow. Click the plus sign again to insert another email action. Set the second email for a later time, like 24 hours after the first email. Repeat the content creation steps for the second email, ensuring clarity and urgency. After setting up both email actions, connect them to your trigger. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.